Backpack Wallet has officially integrated Sui, and we're going to go ahead and set up a wallet in this video and test it out and talk about the significance of Backpack, like Phantom Wallet, integrating Sui and what it means in terms of bringing more liquidity to the blockchain. Before I begin, please note nothing I say is financial advice. It's for education and entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. This is from Sui Corner. Breaking: Backpack has officially integrated Sui Network. Sui deposits and withdrawals check. New Sui USDC spot market check. Full wallet support. Mobile plus the Chrome browser extension check. What's next? Market makers are being onboarded. Borrow lend markets coming soon. Sui as collateral. Stablecoin transfers to from Sui. All powered by a new scalable deposit withdrawal system. If you're not familiar with Backpack Wallet, I'll link this article in the description. Backpack currently encompasses Backpack Exchange, Backpack Wallet, and Mad Lads NFT collection, the top NFT community on Solana. Taking a look at the Mad Lads collection on Magic Eden, currently sitting at a floor price of 44 Solana. So the team behind Backpack Wallet is the team behind Mad Lads, as well as Backpack Exchange. So Backpack integrating Sui presents an opportunity for active Sui users, as they can now take part in trading on Backpack Exchange, earning points for what is rumored to be a future Backpack airdrop. And similar to the Phantom Wallet integration, this now gives Solana active users easy access to the Sui ecosystem. So this is a huge win-win for both. Biggest winner being Sui. This post on X by kaboom.sui sums it up really well. The dawn of a new era on Sui. Let's talk about the ripple effect of a wallet like Backpack will have on Sui, Backpack Exchange, and the wallet, serving over 150 countries with 60 billion trading volume since its launch, is merging with Sui. This collaboration will offer multiple opportunities for projects on Sui to be listed and integrated while increasing the user experience for both platforms. Backpack's wallet is known for its inherent management, secure storage, and seamless trading of assets like Solana and Ethereum. Will now support Sui, providing its users with a reliable and secure wallet solution through mobile apps for iOS, Android, and a Chrome browser extension. This partnership allows Sui developers, projects, and traders new opportunities within Backpack's ecosystem and brings users from Solana ecosystem into Sui. Again, there's the win-win, increasing the growth and accessibility for both platforms. So truly a win-win, and a great post by kaboom.sui, who I'm going to make sure to follow right now. So this is a big deal. We've been waiting for Backpack to integrate Sui for a few months. It's finally happened. Let's go ahead and test it out. Let's go ahead and click through from their X profile to download Backpack. And again, it's got a mobile version and the desktop version with Chrome extension. So we'll say download extension for Chrome. Just say add to Chrome, add extension. I'm going to click up here and I'm going to go ahead and pin it after the extension's been added, just so it's easy access right there. Let's go ahead and open it up. Welcome to Backpack. You'll use this wallet to send and receive crypto and NFTs. I'm going to go ahead and create a new wallet. If you have a wallet already, you can import it right here. I'm going to go ahead and just create a new wallet. And you can see they now have Sui listed among their top 2 networks. Their original one was Solana, Ethereum, and now Sui. So this is a big deal. They do support other networks as well: Eclipse, Sonic, Polygon. In this example, we're going to go ahead and choose Sui, and we'll say set up wallet. I'm going to go ahead and enter password and confirm it, and then click next. You're all good. Open Backpack. So let's go ahead and say open Backpack. You can see it opens the Backpack Exchange. You'll notice right after you enter your password and open the wallet, it says tap here to back up your recovery phrase. I recommend you do that right away. So let's go ahead and do that. Secret recovery phrase, backup now. Please read this, especially if you're setting up a crypto wallet for the first time. This is your only backup. If you lose your secret recovery phrase, your funds cannot be recovered by anyone, not even Backpack. So this is critical, right? Whether it's Backpack Wallet, Phantom Wallet, SLUSH Wallet, any wallet you're setting up, you need to write down your secret recovery phrase and store it in multiple locations. And again, write it on paper, don't store it in the cloud. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. I'll say I understand. I'll enter my password and I'll say backup now. It's going to give you your 12-word secret recovery phrase. Go ahead and write it down. I'll do that now. Pause the video. I'll be right back. After you've written down your secret recovery phrase, go ahead and confirm. Then it's going to quiz you, what position is this word in? So I recommend when you do write it down 1 through 12, just so this is easy right here. So when you're finished backing up your secret recovery phrase, it'll take you back to your wallet. And you can see this is pretty straightforward wallet. We've got receive. Here's our Sui receive address. Send. When we have Sui in here, we can send it. And then swap. You can see they have Sui ecosystem tokens already integrated in here, so this is great. You can swap Sui for Cetus, FUD, and it looks like all of the ecosystem tokens, which is huge. You have your trending tokens right here: Walrus token, Deepbook, Hadal, Toilet Dust, Lo-Fi. So this is great. This wallet is similar to Phantom Wallet, very user-friendly and multi-chain wallet. Let's click on Explore. Go here to find the top protocols and apps in the ecosystem: Suiland, Scallop, Navi, Bluefin. This is huge, right, for the Sui ecosystem, because this wallet has been primarily a Solana-based wallet, right? Most users are Solana ecosystem maxis in terms of what they've been doing, but now they have easy access to Sui without having to create a new wallet. They simply add the Sui network and they're good to go. So this is a big deal. So let's go ahead and test out receiving some Sui. We'll just go ahead and copy our receive address. Then I'll open up my SLUSH wallet. This is a Sui native wallet that has some Sui in it, also has some wall token. Let's go ahead and send directly to a wallet, and we'll send wall. We'll just say 3, and then let's paste in our backpack wallet receive address, our backpack wallet Sui receive address. You can see how low gas is on Sui, and then let's say send. So that wall was sent. Let's go ahead and open up backpack again. And you can see it now has the 3 wall tokens in it. So super simple. You can also have NFTs in here if you go to collectibles. And then here you can see all of your activity. So if you're an active Sui user, I definitely recommend installing Backpack Wallet and start playing around with it. Jump on Backpack Exchange, see if this is something you want to start doing. Again, they have a points program going on right now with a ton of rumors about an airdrop at some point. So a win-win, right? You can start using Backpack and potentially qualify for what could be a sizable airdrop by Backpack. But again, I think the biggest winner in the Backpack Sui integration is the Sui blockchain itself and Sui users, as this now again just gives easy access to a huge number of Solana users and Ethereum users that use Backpack Wallet. More liquidity for the Sui ecosystem incoming. Again, this, like the Phantom integration, should boost Sui ecosystem meme coins, utility tokens like Deepbook and Wall. If AI agents come back, those can be in play, and just the DeFi protocols as well, Sui Lend, Navi, and a bunch more. So this is a big win. Just wanted to make this video, show you how easy it is to create a Backpack wallet, fund it with some Sui ecosystem assets. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe for more crypto content. See you in the next one.